So this is a short video to introduce how to uh, reload the package. Basically, I have my custom package where uh, this one is a function, is a class, and this is my script. And then previously I load this, and then I trained the model, and after a bunch of model training, I decided that I want to write a function to plot my history. And then I realized that after I modified this source file, uh, when I try to plot this, it shows me that I cannot do this. And the reason is that Python does not reload your package. And I actually tried rerun this line. It doesn't work. If you rerun this, it won't work. And we have to reload the package. And the most correct way to reload the package after searching online, I found it in this Stack Overflow, which is basically this approach where you import these two modules and then reload. In my case, it's basically my script ml utensils .py is located in this folder, which is located in YW folder. Basically, it's YW and utensils and ml utensils.py. So in my case, I use import lib reloads and then just reload the Python script, the .py, and then from there I can import my class again. And in that case, it's got refreshed and it realized that I added the plot history function. Then I can plot my history with it.